Hi guys, so with the release of TBC 5.9 we can find a new undercut, a new command called divide area. Once you click on it, it will open this command pane and it's asking for area to divide. So I have opened a blank document and let's do a polyline. Let's close it and just create a weird shape kind of deal. Okay, and now there is few stipulation for the divide area. One of them is that it's a license feature, obviously, and that the polygon vertices must be 2D or all the same height, and the selected liner must be made up of closed line strings. Note that Kogo line string parcel boundaries, rectangle, circle are not supported. So let's see area to divide. Let's click on this, and I am not able to click on this, so it's supposed to be, maybe it says closed line string. So if I edit this, this is gonna convert my thing to line string. Let's see if it's, yeah, there we go. So it has to be a closed line string. So instead of me making a polygon, I should have made a line string. And now it's saying the origin and the baseline endpoint, okay, and options. So we have divide area based on number of sub areas, target area, and distance from a baseline. So those are the three different options here. So let's try numbers of sub areas, and let's do, it's by default 2, let's do 3, and let's see what it's gonna do. So it divided us. So technically now if I, what does it do? Okay, so if I look at this line string and its area of 697.3, 697.3, and 697.3. So it's subdivided into 3 areas of equal size. I'm gonna erase the, oh, go back. Also it's subdivided, so if I erase this one, okay, so I lose the original line. Okay, so let's hit, so we're back to the original. Let's start the target area. I want 1,000 square meters. Let's hit divide. So it was 697. Oh, I haven't clicked the line. Okay. Oh yeah, so it's not, I went way too much. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna select my line. I'm gonna put 1,000 here as I did before and hit divide. So now, as you can see, the remainder area is 1091.8, and let me select this area, and this one is 1000. Okay, so if you need to by area, that's great. Let's hit undo. I'm gonna make sure that this is a line string still. Yeah, we can select that. And now the last option is distance from the baseline. So if this is my baseline, okay, can I change this? Oh, okay, and I'm gonna do, let's say 20 meters. Okay, so it divides like this. Now why would I use that? Okay, I see. So let's say my baseline is like this. My line string is like this, and I wanna divide an area, like let's say I wanna have this length here 30 meters. So I'll type in 30 and wrong. Go back. I'm gonna select my line string. Okay, I'm gonna select my baseline for this, and I'm gonna go, okay, I'm gonna select my baseline again so it points in. select my line string. There is something here. What is this? Select the valid area. Oh, I guess I went again. Line string. I'm gonna select my origin, my end, and then 30 meters, and hit divide. Okay, so this would be a scenario if I have like a lot size and I want to make sure that I have at least 30 meters from my, let's say, face, my property, my driveway in, and then I can subdivide the rest to have it for a reminder. So if I measure this distance from this point perpendicular to this segment, it's 30 meters equals. Okay, I can see the scenario to use. I like the subdivide. So let's say you have 100 acres and you want to subdivide it into 250s or whatnot, right? And if it's not a nice shape, this would kind of help you out. So I can see this very useful command. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you next one.